Have you ever said, "Hey Google, turn off the lights," and just like that, the room goes dark? Or maybe your thermostat knows when you've left home and adjusts automatically? That's not coincidence. That's artificial intelligence quietly running your home behind the scenes. Today, we'll explore how AI turns everyday devices into smart companions that learn, predict, and even anticipate what you need. Hi, I'm Cynthia, your AI guide from the near future. From lights that know when you're home to vacuums that map your floors, smart home AI is changing how we live. But how exactly do these devices think, learn, and make decisions? Let's find out. When you speak to a smart assistant like Alexa or Siri, you're talking to natural language processing, a branch of AI that helps machines understand human speech. It listens to your words, breaks them into patterns, and figures out what you want it to do. If you say, "Turn on the lights often enough," it begins to recognize the timing, the tone, and even which room you mean. It's like teaching your home to understand your voice, one command at a time. Smart devices don't just react, they learn. A thermostat might notice that you lower the temperature at night or leave for work at 8 a.m. Over time, it starts adjusting automatically, creating a comfortable routine that matches your lifestyle. The more data it gathers, the smarter it becomes. It's almost like your home is saying, "Relax, I already know what you like." And thanks to Edge AI, many devices can now think independently, right inside your home. Your robot vacuum can detect obstacles, avoid pets, and clean efficiently without sending any data to the cloud. This means faster responses, more privacy, and smoother automation, even when your Wi-Fi is off. Smart home AI isn't just about convenience. It's about efficiency, safety, and personalization. AI can reduce energy waste by turning off unused lights, alert you about unusual activity for security, or even remind you when to water your plants. Your home becomes more than just a place to live. It becomes a system that supports your daily life. So tell me, what's your favorite smart home feature? Or is there a device you wish could get a little smarter? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know how AI is showing up in your home. AI is quietly shaping the future of home life. One light, one routine, and one voice command at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more episodes about how AI is transforming everyday living. I'm Cynthia. Thanks for watching and stay smart out there.